Sorry about the rubbish filming, I'm walking. Might not be able to see him, but there he goes! There he goes! I think this is a good view here. Oh, you can't really see him.
Put it on YouTube.
We're putting this on YouTube.
Dad, how he's fast.
Cocky Chloe. Follow her. Wait, what's your YouTube channel name? What's your YouTube channel name? Little Miss Corky, follow her. What? Dad! Chris! Dad? Dad?
That was terrible. Yeah. Oh, you fall off this one.
Chris?
Oh,
Chris?
loads.
Chris, can I show Dad in fourth gear?
Yeah, you two can have
You've
another
got to be quick
go.
though, because Mummy's going to kill me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got Dad.
Hey, it's not already.
Dad, we're gonna be quick.
Yeah, you've got to be very quick.
I'm filming it. I'm his vlogger.
Whose is that for?
Kieran's. Them sideburns. Them sideburns. Them sideburns. Oh my God, the earth is going. But what happened? Oh. Mom! Not Dad!
Slow down! What's he want to do?
Did you want to stop there?
Quick, let the boys have a quick go. We've got to go in.